Etsy. So you might have heard about it. It's just one of the most popular e-commerce marketplaces in the world. Over 80 million products on their platforms. And in this video, I'll show you how to start your Etsy store. So come on. Open your favorite web browser and then type in etsy.com. Then click on the first one. So let's head on over to your account. Then scroll all the way down to Sell on Etsy and click Get Started. And this is the welcome screen, where they've broken it down into 4 simple steps. So, step 1, make your shop uniquely yours. But don't worry, we'll walk you through every step. What brings you to Etsy? No, really. Because we're customizing your store, we need to know the direction of your store. So I'm gonna select I have a business and want to sell online for the first time. And if your answer is different from mine, just choose according to what fits you best. Then, click Next. On this page, choose what you need help with more. So for me and my store, I definitely need help selling online and understanding finances and fees. We need packing and shipping, gotta have marketing to new audiences, because hopefully over time, that will help bring in more people to my online store. If everything looks good, hit Next. Now for the fun part, step 2, shop preference. Let's give some insight about our shop, language, country, and currency. So let's name our shop. When you do make your name, keep in mind that at 1, it needs to be 4 to 20 characters long, and 2, no special characteristics. And I named my shop KT Exotic Snacks, and it looks like nobody else has this name. Select your category. And since I do sell candy, that's what I'll be typing in. Then select whether you have a physical item or a digital file. Who made it? Another company or person? And there will be more questions like this, so go ahead and keep filling them out. Now, once you make it to production partners, for this listing, let's add production partners. Now we're at step 3, stock your shop. Now I've added my titles here, Lay Spicy Crawfish, and then I've added my production images as well, and you're allowed up to 10 images in one video. Now you'll need your description, price and inventory. But don't worry, we're almost there. So for your price, when you type it in, it will also show your essential profit. Etsy here would take about $5.43 if I price my item at $6.50. Now if you want to get that $6.50, then you can play around with it. And for me, this isn't exactly $6.50, but it's close enough. Then type in your quantity. The primary color of this product is pink, and for my secondary color, it's red. Then think about your product and what occasion that it would fit best with. Maybe it's for a birthday party or a wedding, whatever it may be. And with snacks, it can go either way. Now, let's add your tags, and what I found that works best is when you put whatever comes to mind. So snacks, make sure to hit add and chips. Okay, let's add one more because these are exotic snacks. I'll put that down too. If you want to edit your category again, you can do it here. With shopping, you need shipping, okay? These just go hand in hand. Let's create a new shipping option. So we need a shipping price, and I'm gonna go with the recommended and select your process time as well. And I went ahead with 1 to 3 days, which to me is enough time. Let's select where you'll ship to, and I do want my store to be for everyone, and that's why I also have worldwide shipping. I also chose USPS mail. This is where your personal preference does come in, so if you want to offer free shipping, you can, but I probably won't do this for these items. If you want to add a handling fee, you can definitely make this an option. Now let's double check to make sure that this is right. You've done all of this work, so make sure that you save this as a shipping profile. For my profile name, I'll put it as KT Exotic Snacks Shipping. And let's save the profile and apply. When you're adding your items weight, if you do have the physical product like I do, it makes it a lot easier to add it. Then add the length, width, and height. The simple policy is your return policy. For me, I do sell edible things, so I won't have a return policy. I'm gonna try the shop selection. Click add new section. Let's title it as chips because that's what I'm selling. Showcase the listing at the top of your shop. Yes, I do want to, so let's turn that on. With renewal options, you can choose automatic or manual. Now, I go with manual just because I don't know with automatic if it'll charge my account at all. Then select and save and continue. And congratulations, you've uploaded your first listing. Now let's add in your payment method. You've put in so much time, energy, and effort into your business that I'm sure you'll want to know how you'll get paid. Make sure to select your country, where your bank is located, and then with your taxes, select whether you're an individual seller or a business. And then this is really just more background information. So add in your first name, last name, and your date of birth, and the taxpayer address. And last but not least, you can select whether or not you want to share where you live. And yes, there are 2 more steps before completing your profile. Just add in your billing info and your shop security. And that's how to create your Etsy store, step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye guys.